name is Adesumbo Adeniro. I'm the owner of Arike. Arike is a store that is into organic, African-grown organic herbs and spices and superfoods. We get source our products from verified farmers and suppliers. We have our processes, we have a way of verifying our farmers and suppliers before we go into market with them. Partnership with them. And we produce some of the things we sell, some of it we source and go through the processes of making, drying and making them by ourselves. We have our own, the way we make sure as much as possible they are hygienic, and we try to retain 98% of the nutrients in the herbs and spices, if not 100%. So we have a way of going about that. And we deal with wholesalers and retailers. So we have people that come to us to buy the products because they want to resell, and we have people that just come to us because they want to have it in their house. And we have customers from different parts of Nigeria and also from different countries in the world. We have sometimes do consultation too. So if anybody wants to consult, we have people that we partner with too for consultation.